this is actually a post-mortem portrait. The basis for this painting is a photograph. It was taken during World War II, and it's a painting of my grandfather, and he was 11 at that time. It's funny because I have constantly a lot of problems with this, technical problems with this painting because of the wood. It's cracking and stretching, so I said funny because this is actually the first concept that I had in mind for this painting, that is to paint a living memory or a living picture of this, from my side, beloved grandfather. So it's kind of alive, you know, when it's moving. The wood is constant. So.
Yeah, but there's one more thing. Why the proportions of the body and those shoes and what's the story about that?
Yeah, actually, they were really poor. So this is, I don't know, maybe just one photograph of him as a child. And you know, they need to look the best for this photograph. And he didn't have a beautiful pen, so he borrowed it from this elderly guy, and it's clearly, you know, too big for him, and also the shoes are too big for him. So this proportion is like a little bit of messed up, but it's actually realistic.
Yeah. But why did you choose the wood? It's like a table.
I really like to borrow this imagery from my work from traditional culture, and it reminded me of the wooden tables they have in you know, these old houses. Just one table, and all the family would gather and eat. And for them, you know, like 100 years ago, this was a really it was different, like for us. We just they were like, you know, food. They even maybe have it, you know, like 5 times a week or so. So it reminds me of this, like an altar for them.
And also, he had to work at the early stage when he was young.
This photo was taken when he was 11, and there at that time he had to leave home because he was old enough to go working as a shepherd. So this was the photo taken when he was leaving home, but actually a child in our eyes now.